the channel where we are trying to sell some stuff on eBay and make a living out of that. So if you are interested in this kind of topic, please stay on the channel, subscribe and watch more of my videos. I am Polish Pete and I sell cheap ladies clothing. I buy them in bulk, then I sell them individually on eBay. I've got whole video for you today. I've got 50 items of sizes 18 and above of ladies clothing, and I have paid £57 for them. I've got 2 lots like that. This is one of them. I'm gonna do another one later. I'm gonna record it today and you're gonna see it next week. And I've got 4 more coming. They should be here today or tomorrow. One more thing to say is that I am recording this video when I am in UK and I will go abroad after. So this video has been recorded in September and you probably watched it in November, I would say. Okay, let's start. First item is size 20 Peruna, I believe. Top. There you go. Yeah, all the bits are here, I believe. There's a mark. No, it wasn't. It was just a fluff. Yeah, should be a tenner. EWM gilet, fleece gilet, or body warmer, however you wish to call it. Should be easy, $7.99. I'm gonna put it with jumpers. It's a Damart open front jacket with some shoulder pads. Should go for $7.99. Fine knit jumper, size 20. There's no brand label, but it is, yeah, A Products, German brand. I had it before, sells okay, should be $7.99 really. Top by Damart, quite nice pattern. Size feels like size 18. Yeah, 18-20. $7.99 should be achievable. Oh, a ladies bra. Or is it? No, it's like bikini top, and it has a mark, but I will be able to wipe it out. It's only £4. Is it? Yeah, it looks like it is bikini top. It's from George, size 18. £4 in store, so I don't expect much. I'll remove that label and try to sell it for £5. That's going to go here. Two size large top in, let's say, khaki gray, and another one of the same. So I'm gonna list them as a one listing, quantity 2, which will save me listing to list something else. We got a tag, let's remove it. Another shop tag, size 22 by 2, kind of lunch trousers, but they are corduroy, so maybe a tenner. I'm gonna put trousers on this side, but I've got a charging cable connected to the phone while I'm recording it. Bone Marsh, size 20-22, fine knit jumper. There you go. These are fake buttons. Easy $7.99, maybe $8.99 even. Jeans. A Peruna. Size 18. I've bought from this seller before. I bought it on eBay. I was quite okay with what I have. Like I said, a charging cable. I was quite okay with what I have received, so yeah, that's why I bought it again. Some fluff picked up from some jumper. Papaya jeans, size 20, $7.99, achievable easily. Not again. Not again. Let's move it a bit higher. Okay, it should be fine now. Sorry. Fine knit jumper, some beads and embroidery. No, it's not an embroidery, it's just a sewn flower. Nice pale yellow. It's I don't know, what is it? Size 20-22, but there is no brand. Yeah, there is no brand. $7.99, I would say. It's a dress, like a next 22, like a, how you call it, jumper dress. We'll start with 15, $14.99, and see what happens. Don't have much luck with selling dresses, to be fair. I don't know how to sell them. I don't have a mannequin. Size 22, 2. Again, dress, probably $12.99. Jeans again. Again Peruna, I believe. Yes, it is. Size 20. Easy tenner. Or $8.50 on offer. Another jeans, skinny one, 2, size 20, jeggings, $7.99. Top by Wallis, size 18, petite, brownish, $7.99. That will be a dress. Julipa, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I know this brand sells well. There you go, looks like size 22 to me. And it is, so probably $12.99, maybe $14.99 to start with on auction, and if it doesn't sell, then $12.99 on Bite Now. Top by Bella Blue, LXL, so I'll have to work out the size. Looks like 20 to me. $7.99. Dress again. Debenhams. Size have been cut out. Let's see on the bottom. There is size on the bottom. $12.99, I would say. Maybe $14.99. Size 22. Good sizes. I was expecting more 18s than anything else. Peruna 18. Top, tenner to start with. Another top by 2, size 20, that's the bottom, back, that's the front. $7.99 easy, but maybe in summer, not now. 2, size 22, another shift dress, another $12.99. 2 size 20, heavy on 2, top, buttoned shirt with collar, nice abstract pattern, good to work as well, $7.99. Next, size 18, pullover jumper with some sheer sleeves, tenner. Skirt, is it? It is. Marks and Spencer, 18, workwear skirt, nice one, tenner. Trousers by brand Fin Karelia, GB20, look a bit vintagey, $7.99 achievable. Again, Fin Karelia, that's how it looks like, this brand. A buttoned shirt with collar, $7.99 easily, because it's kind of nice. Damart skirt size 26, so a bit bigger. Yeah, elastic waist always helps. Some beads, nice pattern, $7.99 easily achievable. That's Camille, size 22-24, kind of a coat, I would say, or something like that. No idea really. $7.99 on the safe side. Dress again, Grace, made in Great Britain, 22 in size. Nice shift dress, some wrap on top. Don't know, we'll try. $12.99. Another dress, I got it upside down, by Love Drop, size 20. Never heard about this brand before. Nice dress with a elastic, like a elastic waist, or maybe imperial waist, we will see. I don't know, $12.99 hopefully. Top, size 22, just a t-shirt with some detail around the neck, and it's by, again, that A is A Products. Where is it? Here. A Products. You can't read it anyway because it's the other way around. Probably $4.99. Skirt, Principles, 26. Another bit bigger one. Elastic waist. We'll shoot for a tenner. Just a t-shirt by George, but if it's a proper size I'll put it separately, I won't bundle it. Size 20, yeah, I can't see the reason why it wouldn't sell for $4.99. Damart, size 20, 26, skirt, navy blue, elastic waist, nice one, easy, $7.99. Marks and Spencer, size 22, dress, or maybe a tunic top. Let's have a look. Yeah, it may be a dress, short dress really. Easy $12.99. Shrook by George. There you go. I hate shrooks, but hey, it's always the money. 16 to 18, $7.99. Jacket, Marks and Spencer's, size 18, feels like linen, so bit summery item. Should go for a tenner. Lofties, I believe this is Bon Marche or BHS. Just a t-shirt, size 22. I can't see the reason why not to sell it for $4.99. Another top. Oh, it's actually cardigan. Buck London. Never heard about this before. 22. We'll shoot for $7.99 and see what happens. I'll put it there. Skirt, just a plain skirt, papaya size 18. Nice stretchy mini skirt. Is it a tube top? It is a tube top. Yeah, it is a tube top, definitely. Yeah, like a strapless top. $4.99 maybe. We got a coat by George. There you go. So the winter is coming, so should sell for a tenner. Size 18. Yeah, should sell for a tenner really. But I don't know if I will be able to pack it. Another coat by Damart. Nice buttons. A bit yellow those buttons though. Size 20 to 24. Again, should go for a tenner, even $12.99. Same with that George. I'll probably try $12.99. Papaya size 8. They made a mistake, gave me size 8 items. It's a dress, summer dress. Probably $7.99, $6.99, maybe $7.99. Another tube top by Papaya, size 18. Again, $4.99 probably. If they are the same size, I'm gonna bundle them up and sell as a two. And we got a third one as well. It is size 18. Again, the same color. I'm gonna definitely bundle them up and try to sell them for a tenner. They should go for a tenner, really, closer to summer. Size 22 top. Just a t-shirt with some detail around the neck. If there is no stains, it should be fine. Again, that is a product. $4.99, $5.99. I may try $5.99 with them on auction and then drop them down to $4.99. Another George t-shirt. Again, same story, $5.99, $4.99. 22 in size. If it was 16, it would go towards bundle. 16 or lower. I think we've got a belt for that dress. I'm gonna put it here so I'm not gonna miss it. We've got a skirt, elastic waist, very nice. Damart, size 26 again. So easy $7.99, easy $7.99. And that would be it for this bundle. Yeah, hopefully I will do what my goal is, and my goal is to earn £5 per item, but definitely that will be easy £200 in profit. Easy £200 in profit. 50 items, I'm quite confidently, when I when I'm in UK and I'm doing it properly, so I photograph and list at the same time, meaning the same day, I could easily photograph them all and list them all and pack them all and put them to my storage, all of them in one working day, meaning 8 hours. Yeah, and that's £200 in profit. Easy, easy, maybe even more. Yeah, yeah, maybe 250 if I'll make £5 per item. Yeah, this is the price how much I have paid per item, guys. So it's what, 57 quid divided by 50. I don't know how much it is. Yeah, the only thing is that bikini top, but maybe somebody will like it. Yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have, please don't forget to click that like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you next week with another part of the same haul, so another lot of 50. Yeah, I wish you all the best. I wish you good sales. I wish you peace and quiet. God bless you all, and bye bye.